In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your primary Facebook page URL in Meta Business Suite. If you need to connect the correct Facebook page to your business details, this is a quick setting to update, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change with confidence. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and make sure you're in the correct business account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you into the area where your business level preferences and account details are managed. After settings opens, find and click on Business Info. This section contains the core information associated with your business account, including profile related details that can be updated when needed. If you've never visited this page before, take a second to look around so you know where these details live in the future. Inside Business Info, locate your profile section and click Edit. This opens the fields you're allowed to update. Editing from here is important because it ensures the changes are being made directly to the business information connected to your Meta Business Suite account. Next, enter your Facebook page URL in the primary page field. Be careful to paste or type the full and correct page link. It's a good idea to double check that you are using the exact URL for the Facebook page you want associated with the business, especially if you manage more than one page. Even a small typo can point to the wrong destination, so accuracy matters here. Once the URL has been entered, click Save. This confirms the update and applies the new primary page information to your business profile. After saving, it's helpful to quickly review the field and make sure the correct URL is now displayed. That way, you can confirm the change went through successfully. And that's it. You've now updated the primary Facebook page URL in Meta Business Suite. This is a simple but important setting, especially if you want your business information to stay accurate and properly connected across Meta tools. If you're following along while updating your own account, just move slowly through each screen and verify the page link before saving. That small extra check can save time later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the update smoothly.